So in initial last tutorial we have studied about the pumping lemma for context free language. We have studied about all the examples, the theories, and we have said that we will do another example on the context free languages. So let us directly go to the example. Given that, show that L is equal to WW, where W belongs to 0, 1, whole star, is not context free. So you have to prove this. Okay. Now let us take S is equal to 0 to the power P, 1 to the power P, 0 to the power P, 1 to the power, suppose, P. Okay, and let us say P is equal to 5. Okay, now there are many cases we will consider. So first one is case 1. Case 1 says that Vxy does not straddle a boundary. That is it will remain in the particular same symbol. Okay, it will not go beyond the symbol in either way. So let us take one example. You will understand. 0, 0, 0. So P is 5. So 5, 0 followed by 5, 1, again followed by 5, 0 followed by 5, 1. Okay. Now let us take U is this one. Then now see, straddle means what? In the same boundary. So boundary means this is one boundary, this is another boundary, this is another boundary, and this is another boundary. Okay. So now say in the same boundary. So it will be lies between only these two. So let us say that this is that boundary. That is, it is nothing but Vxy. Now see, V is 1, 1, 1. So it is remain in the same boundary. So left hand is also 1, right hand is also 1. So it does not go to beyond this here or right place of this part. Okay, so it remains in the only one part. So this is means that does not straddle. So it does not straddle in the boundary. So XYZ is this, and surely entire this portion is your Z. Okay. Now again the same thing, U V to the power I, X, Y to the power I, Z, where I is equal to, let us say, 2. You can take 3 also, that is no problem. So let us, and since it is V is, let us consider V is 1, X is 1, and Y is 1. Now just pump it. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. V square, that is 1, 1. X 1. Y square 1, 1. And this Z 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So what we are getting? We are getting like this 5 zeros. It is nothing but 0 to the power 5, then 1 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0 to the power again 5, and 1 to the power 5. Now see, this has been changed. Okay. So this has been changed. Now see why? Because this initially this was W, this was W. That is, but now see, this is W, but here W is 0 to the 1 to the power 7. Now this is 1 to the power 5. So this W does not match with this W. So it is not it does not belongs to L. So this is the case 1. That is, XYZ does not straddle a boundary. Now case 2. Case 2. So what is case 2? So case 2 is XY straddle the first boundary, that is, it will straddle on the left side. So we can say that Vxy, next part is straddles the first boundary. Okay. So let us see. again 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 1. So straddle the first boundary means we will consider this part also. Okay, so let us say like this is U, and consider this as from this part to, let us say 1 2 3, let us say this till this one. Okay, this one is Vxy. Among this Vxy, let us consider this part as V. Okay, this is X and this 2 is Y. Let us consider, and the remaining part, this part is suppose Z. Again apply this one, U V to the power I, X Y to the power I, Z, I is equal to 2. So you pump it, what you will get the result 0 0 0. Pump this to this is doubled. Okay, so what you are getting that 0 0 0 0 followed by only X, that is 1. Pump this Y 2 times, 1 1, and remaining this part 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 1. So what we are getting from this particular equation, that it is 0 to the power 7, 1 to the power, I think 1 2 3 4 5, 1 to the power 5. Okay, so 1 to the power, I think I have missed one thing, that is, okay, it will be 4 ones. Okay, so 1 to the power 7, 0 to the power 5, 1 to the power 5. Okay, so this is omega where power is 7, this is another omega where power is 2. So this omega is not belong to this omega. So finally we can conclude that this is not belongs to L. Okay, so this is the case 2, rather we say case 2A. Okay, next we will go for the case 2B. So case 2, let us say B. So in the case 2B, that is Vxy straddles the third boundary. Okay, so again 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, now straddles the third boundary. Let us say third boundary is this one, so we have to straddle this part. So let us check that we take enter this part as U, third boundary. So straddle, you have to straddle over here. So take this entire part as Vxy and this as Z. So this is the third boundary. See, first boundary, second boundary, this is the third boundary. So straddling the third boundary. Okay, so straddling the third boundary. So now what we will do, let us consider these 2 zeros as V, this as only X is only 1 and Y is 2 ones. Okay, then you will understand. Again you apply this formula UVWX and just you multiply, pump it, and what you will get, we will get, suppose after pumping 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 0. V square means 2040, Y is 1, Y square 1 1 1 1 and followed by 1 1. So you will get 0 to the power 5, 1 to the power 5, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 0 to the power 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 to the power 7. What we see that is this is 5, this omega does not matches with this omega, so it is not belongs to that, this particular given string is not belongs to L. Okay, so another case is there, that is the case 3. Okay, so let us go for the case, and this is the final case. So let us go for the case 3. Yeah, so for the case 3, that is Vxy straddles in the midpoint. So let us see what do you mean by this. So again take 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 1. So straddles in the midpoint. So let us say in the midpoint, okay, let us say like this way, in the midpoint like this way. Let us take this way. Okay, this is Vxy. So this part is your U, this part is your Z. So now pump it. 0 0 0 0 0 1 1. Let us say V is this 2, so 1 1 1 1. X is as same as 1, and this Y is this 2, so 0 0 0 0. Then this part 0 0 0 and 5 1. So what we are getting from this, 0 to the power 5, 1 to the power 1 2 3 4 5 7. This is 0 to the power 7, 1 2 4 7, and 1 to the power 5. Okay, so this is omega, and where number of 0 is 5, number of 1 is 7, but here number of 0 is 7, number of 1 is 5. So this is not same as this omega. So finally we can conclude that this is not equal to L. Okay, so hope you understand this particular example. We have taken total case 1, case 2. In case 2 there are 2 parts, and case 3. So what we have studied till now, that what is a pumping lemma, and we have studied about pumping lemma for the regular language. In case of regular language, we have divide the string into 3 parts, that is XYZ, and we proved that for the pumping lemma for regular language, that pumping lemma is used to prove that the language is not regular. Same thing for pumping lemma for context-free language. Here also we used to prove that the language is not context-free. Okay, we have studied various examples regarding regular language and regarding this context-free language, and it is important for your semester exam. Okay, so you go through all this exam. Hopefully you will find it is useful for exam purpose. I've also discussed the theoretical part over here. Okay, thank you.